This MxVol CF232A Imaging Drum 2-pack is designed as a high-yield replacement that keeps compatible Laserjet Pro printers running reliably for a long stretch between changes. Print quality is crisp and consistent, with sharp text and clean graphics that hold up well for everyday documents and more detailed reports. The drum units are engineered to work smoothly with the matching toner cartridges, so you get stable performance without streaks or background haze when properly installed. Installation is straightforward for anyone familiar with replacing cartridges, and the drums fit snugly in supported models without alignment hassles. These replacement drums are built to meet recognized manufacturing and environmental standards, which adds confidence about long-term durability and responsible production. Buying a 2-pack is convenient for home offices and small businesses that print frequently, since you can swap in a fresh drum right away and minimize downtime.